So guys, this is the start of the 7 days extreme weather and winter in Wisconsin. And like always, it's supposed to be nice and sunny today, and it's snowing. Temperature today was supposed to be around 12, and it said last night it was going to be in the low 20s, but that has changed.
It was, yeah, it got down to 19.
And a big thanks to all our sponsors: Black and White Fire Starters, the only fire starter I trust in the Northwoods; Infusco Coffee, great tasting coffee; and Annihilator Airguns and Tuning. Thanks so much for sponsoring us on our 7-day challenge.
Bushcraft.
And I'm Justin Vanferrari with Waypoint Outdoor Adventures.
And I'm Mark from Rolling Homestead, and this is going to be our 7-day extreme winter challenge in northern Wisconsin. Hey guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And also click the bell to get all of our notifications. Alright, so introduction first is Justin from Waypoint Outdoors. He came to join us in our travels. Small guy in the back that's gonna get really pound up. You guys all know him, Tyler Woods Bushcraft. He is going to be making snowshoes really soon, and we're hoping to get you some footage of how deep this snow actually is. So let's go start this thing. There's Tyler, up to his waist in snow. Crazy. There we go, boys.
Hey, so is this fairly close to our camp here?
You're getting closer.
This would, at least we got some fresh water anyway.
Yeah, beautiful, guys.
Back here, surrounded by a bunch of white pines.
Cedar, buddy.
Cedar?
Cedar.
Yeah. Okay. Yes.
Quite. night when we had the drone. It was only a couple hours, I think. The fish must not like that sound. They must hear the vibrations of it.
Yeah, they disappeared.
Now they're out jumping again all of a sudden. I see what you're saying.
So yeah, my other pack is on a charger, and
Here, I got this one.
and then we'll take Justin falling in.
Everything for the shot, right? Here we go.
And now we're gonna follow Justin. Might not be a good idea, because he don't know where he's going.
I went last time. All right. I'm not lost, guys. Don't worry. We'll get there. Oh, wait, I feel like I'm going in circles.
Oh man, Mark, I think it looks like you got some work to do. Yeah. I think my deer were right. What do you think? Nice. Oh man, the snow really caved things in, didn't it? Yeah, the winter has been brutal. I've got 3 main supports busted. Super shelters. You have to pull all that snow off to get. At least that main beam's good. Yeah, it's nice. It's hard to see, you know, we've seen all these pictures for so long, but it's hard to actually know what it looks like till you see it in person. Nice. Now the work begins.
We lose Tyler. Hey, you got lots of dry wood in there. Yep, that was the idea.
You know, I'm surprised at how little snow is there.
I got a whole roll of baler twine in there too.
All right, so Tyler is, you're kind of going right in here, this area, Tyler?
Yeah.
Is that what you're thinking?
Well, the most important thing that we got to do right now is get this cleaned up because this is where our fire's at. You know? And as you guys can see, everything is buried, so wood. Yeah. That's the bad thing about Wisconsin, and what I try to tell everybody is it's, even though it's winter and it's cold, trying to find dry wood out here is hard.
Yeah. There's some dead standing, but that's all right, so I'm gonna probably throw my Quincy right up over here, just because I think that'll be out of the way if I do another shelter. Actually, where do you want, if I don't do the tree thing, do you have a vision for what you want, like a shelters around?
Snowshoe thing go.
Yes,
So for all those viewers out there that say Wisconsin don't have snow, what are you gonna tell them?
full of BS. All right, so that'll be my Quincy area for tonight anyway, and we'll talk about a plan from there. All right.
Man, if we had one tree like right here.
Guess what?
So I'll have to pull my bag of bushcraft trips out here, because it's gonna be pretty rough. That one's, and that one in there.
All right, guys, so it's pretty bad off in here, but at least it's something for tonight. Should be a work in progress. So what I'm thinking of doing, I got a stick here. I'm gonna put it right on my main beam here. That's busted. See it up there? So I'm hoping I can get this guy in here enough, and that'll get me through the night. Well, doing it pretty simple. So let's get this thing in here straight. Making a Quincy's pretty simple. You just pile a bunch of snow, let it sit for a little while. I'm gonna make it probably another 2-3 feet higher, because the walls need to be at least a foot thick. It'll settle and it'll collapse and it'll be strong. So hopefully that'll get me through the night. Won't take me too much longer. I'll lay the tarp down so I got somewhat of a cleaner environment here. Sweat. Get this wood stove cranking. And try to patch this thing up so I can withstand tonight's temperatures. Lots and lots of work. Because I think what I'm gonna have to do is I brought an extra tarp along. I might have to cut everything here and make a whole new top. But I gotta see what kind of wood I got out here. There's so much snow, everything is buried. So I might just have to live with what I got, I guess. But we'll see. Everybody else is putting their stuff together too.
Plenty of snow for this.
Well, this is about the time I really wish I had Mark's height.
What's that?
This is about the time I had Mark's height.
Clean out the stove here, do some little stuff here and there, but I think it's time to get a fire going. There used to be a tool around here that you can stick in there and drag that all out. I do not see it anymore. So the wind is definitely picking up. I think it's time we try that little goop out of Tyler's. What do you think? Alright guys, so it is brutal out here. The winds are picking up, they're beating us up. It is cold, the snow is deep. Obviously I got a busted up shelter. I did get the plastic on. It's starting to warm up a little bit, but this is what we were going for. This is extremes. The other thing, guys, is
yeah, this is not for the faint-hearted, I'll say that. This has been pretty tough, and it's only day one. So we have 6 more to go. Winds are just whipping around. Hopefully tomorrow it's going to be a little bit nicer during the day, and I can get this top off of here. I'm going to have to find some new structural pieces to go down and some cross members, and I got to put a whole new top on this thing, but it's enough to get it through the night. I got to button up a few things that plastic blew out before, hit the pipe, melted it. So just put that plastic up, got a hole in it like that. So like I'm saying, it's unpredictable what's going on. The snow is just horrendously deep. I've got gaiters on and I'm wet all the way up to the knees. So, but that's why it's called extreme, right? Still can see my breath. Yeah. As soon as I turned it on, it blinking red.
All right, Mark's got some of the black and white fire starter. Let's see how it goes.
First time using it, but I'll tell you what, it has been a very tough day to get anything to go right. So we want to eat.
It lit pretty easily.
It did.
Nice.
Try to get it like the other one. Look at this.
Yeah.
How that melted, I guess. Yeah, you know, that's how I did that. That's what we need a tripod for.
Yeah.
Tomorrow's project.
Kind of used for your paracord here.
Huh?
Used for your paracord. GoPro mount.
There we go. So guys, we're sitting back and relaxing now.
And keep an eye on that. All right, I'm losing daylight. Not sure I'll be able to fly that drone. Oh, those flames are...
We're gonna go get top's coming off too.
Definitely ruined your pretty fire.
long as you can make that work and get us some coffee, you can ruin it all you want.
All right. All right. Seems safe until it spills. After sunset, Tyler.
Huh?
Isn't that our rule? No working after sunset?
Told you guys, when I get you going, I won't stop.
Tomorrow too, we gotta get a heat shield on this thing. Battery temperature too low, cannot take off. I said battery temperature too low. Though. All right, guys. So this is officially the day one. We're